Have you ever heard about any international conference that is going to allow you to come into the United States of America with your family members, and they are also going to be giving you and your family member the required immigration support? Now, see this. Do the families of World Fellows usually accompany them to New Haven for the duration of the program? World Fellows who bring children to New Haven are able to participate fully. Program staff provide World Fellows with information on school and childcare arrangements, with housing compatible for their family's need, and with immigration support for eligible family members. So if you want to come into the United States of America with either your children or your spouse, there is adequate provision for you. Hi guys, this is a mind-blowing opportunity for you to come into the United States of America. Application is completely free. You do not need language proficiency, that's the high health. There is no age limit for this program, and it's open to professionals from all sectors, be it health, business, whatever sector you are. Another amazing thing is all countries are eligible. So from wherever country you are, you can move into the United States for this conference. It is fully funded, all expenses covered. Let's take a look at the compensation package you're going to get for attending this fully funded conference. You're going to get a taxable stipend to cover the cost of living in New Haven. They're going to pay you, they're going to give you stipend to cover the cost of living in New Haven for the space of 4 months that you're going to spend for this program. And you're going to be given a modest furnished 1 or 2 bedroom apartment for the duration of the program, and you're going to also get medical insurance, and you're also going to be getting round-trip travel from your home country. That's your flight tickets will be sorted for you. Please, if you find this interesting, before we move on, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, because on this channel I share a lot of mind-blowing opportunities. And please guys, make your comments, and if you have any question, please drop it for me. I'm going to try as much as possible to answer every single question here. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this program, the application requirements, the selection criteria, the deadline, and most especially how to apply. This program is known as the World Fellows Program. It is a yearly program organized by Yale-Jackson School of Global Affairs. This program brings professionals together from different countries. They all converge in New Haven, United States of America for the period of 4 months. You are expected to be in New Haven by mid-August until mid-December. Basically, the motive of this program is to build network and expand the visions of the attendees, and to enhance both personal and professional growth. So if you're a leader in whatever capacity in your profession, this is an opportunity for personal development and, meet a lot of people from different parts of the world. The application is already open for 2025 intake, and the deadline for application is 4th of December 2024. So what are the application requirements? Applicants should be between 5 and 25 years into their professional career. So you must have a professional experience of a minimum of 5 years. So if you've been working for at least 5 years, you are eligible to apply. As you can see it boldly on their website, the average age of World Fellow is 39, though there is no minimum or maximum age limit. Whatever your age may be, you are eligible. So another requirement is that you must be a citizen of a country other than the United States. Strong preference is given to candidates whose work is focused outside the United States. So if you are from other countries apart from the United States, it's better for you. You are strongly preferred than somebody who is already in the United States. So they want people to come from their various countries into the United States. Another thing is that you must be fluent in English. You must know how to communicate well in English language. There's no requirement for English language test. So let me quickly show you that. As you can see, the program does not require TOEFL or IELTS test scores as part of the application process. Now let's move ahead. So the last application requirement is that ward fellow are required to be in residence at Yale University in New Haven for the entirety of the program, which runs from mid-August through mid-December. So you are expected to be available all through the program. Having said that, let's look at the selection criteria. Applicants must have an established record of extraordinary achievements and integrity. Then a commitment to the good society and to making a positive impact at the local or national or international level. So those are the points to note while writing your personal statement so that you can be selected. So a promise of a future career in leadership and notable global impact, a special capacity for critical, creative, entrepreneurial, and strategic thinking, a likelihood to benefit from participation in the program and to contribute to the global perspective on Yale's campus, and a commitment to a rigorous program of activities to full-time residence at Yale for the entire duration of the program and to mentoring students and speaking frequently on campus. So you are expected to participate fully during the program. So guys, let's look at the application process review. The application process for admission to the World Fellow program is done entirely online. There is no application fee, like I said earlier, or other costs to apply. Then prior for the deadline, you may work on the application at any time and submit it whenever you're ready, so you don't have to start and complete it immediately. Applicants are required to submit a resume CV of maximum of 3 pages, so make sure that your CV is not more than 3 pages. You are expected to write personal statements of about 1,000 words. Those points I mentioned to you earlier on, make sure it is highlighted in your personal statement. That is the secret I'm giving you. You stand a high chance of being selected. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go ahead and apply. You're just going to come right here and click on apply now for 2025. So if you are applying for the first time, click on create an account. So guys, to register, you're going to insert your email address, your first name and your last name. Then you're going to click on continue. They are going to send you a temporary PIN and you're going to insert the PIN here. After inserting the PIN sent to your email, go ahead and click on login. And you're going to be prompted to set your password. Once your password is ready, just click on set password, and this is what the application look like. So the first thing you need to do is to click on start new application. So it's going to bring this. You click on create application and then you click on open application. So you want to read the instructions, come right here and you click on continue here. So now it brings you to the application form where you have to insert your first name, your middle name, your surname, then your permanent address. You want to select your country here. All countries are eligible. Then your phone number, your gender, your birth date, your birth country, then your primary citizenship. They want to know which country you are from, then your country of permanent residence. Then guys, you click on continue. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so just click on continue and go ahead with your application, and I wish you the very best of luck.